brake fixes it.
Yeah.
Get your second gear prep. You could always slow it into first. You've got plenty of time. Have a look. What should we do? Good, off you go then. Better. And if the signal clicks off, yeah, what do? Put it back on again. Very good. Hold on. What I'd like you to do down this road is find an opportunity and pull up and park next to the curb on the right. Now, first thing I see is two vans coming the other way.
Yeah.
So I would probably say,
just wait until the...
but now we've got the silver Fiesta, we might have to, if we run out of road, we might have to actually take up a right turn position and just wait, but it looks good after the Fiesta. Who's following us? Slow now, we're not going to go across. Move to the middle line, straighten up, stop. No one's behind, have a look at it. Put it in first. Now, check, creep, and move us across. That has to be done sometimes.
Okay.
Good.
If there's no other
Big
option.
steer back left. Is the cyclist any issue? No, he's okay. Well done. Very nicely done.
Yeah.
Well done.
So if that does happen and like you're running out of car...
Space,
Just
yeah, room on the
stop.
road, just do that.
Yeah, space.
Just, take it out of gear a second.
Okay.
What would have happened if there had have been a car behind as well, Ellie? What do you reckon?
Would we have had to come in and let them go round?
No, you would have done exactly the same, and the car behind can wait.
Oh right, okay. Yeah.
It's no different than
Yeah.
if we were doing this right turn into these businesses here.
Oh yeah.
Is
They
it?
have to wait anyway.
They have to wait.
Yeah.
So you just take up the right hand position.
Yeah.
Left of centre as we call it, near the centre line.
Yeah.
And literally wait till it's clear, and as it clears though, be very careful of the car behind them.
In case it doesn't
overtake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's honestly why I always try and get my pupils, you included, to creep a little.
To show your intention.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
You've got it. That's fab. All right, let's reverse away a couple of car lengths. Off you go.